Let's try this again. Hey guys, welcome back to Starterville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing new tool deals to share with you. We're starting with Acme Tools. We have Milwaukee versus Makita, so we're going to have 5 deals from each of those brands. And then we're going to go on to some Amazon deals. And I think, if I remember, I'm going to share with you some eBay deals that they have a new program going on I want to share with you, and we found some deals for that. So everything's going to be linked down below, and hopefully you can hear me. And I don't know how good it's going to sound. I'm using a different microphone because we ain't using that other one no more. Milwaukee 100-piece Shockwave pack-out kit. It is normally $99.97. It is going to be down to $39.97 for $326 only, 1 day only. You see it comes with this little pack-out case. I was looking at the different pictures, and nothing gives you a good look at exactly what the bits are that are in there. Looks like you got a bit holder, you have some little insert bits, you got the 2-inch bits, longer ones, those like double-headed ones, I can't tell what I'm looking at. Anyways, you get the pack out, you get a bunch of bins, and you get apparently about 100 bits to go with it. So that's the first one. Now, if I'm reading what they sent me correctly, this deal is going to be $19.97 with a free item to boot. So we have the Nitrous Carbide Extreme Materials blade with Nitrous Carbide Extreme Metal Cutting Oscillating Tool blade. So you get a 2-pack of these carbide blades. Normally $49.97, going to be $19.97, but then the model number of the free good that you're supposed to get is this Milwaukee Open Lock 1 3/8 Titanium Enhanced Carbide Teeth Multi-Material Blade. So it's almost like buying this one and getting these two for free. But that's kind of interesting. I like that deal. I like the little twist, and it looks like a really good value. Now this is going to be $89.99, so starting at $139.99, going down to $89.99. You have the 3-8 inch drive SAE metric 6-point socket set. It's a 43-piece set with a handy dandy case. Got some deeps, got some shallows. Looks like we're starting at about 8mm up to 19, and does that say 5/16? It's super small up to 3/4. Yeah. Well, I'd like it to include a 1/4 inch, but no. Yeah, I would like it to include a 1/4 inch. That would be kind of cool. Sure be cool if you did. Anyway, nice little sockets. The Milwaukee sockets are always super expensive, so if you want Milwaukee, it's a good deal, but you could definitely get things cheaper if you don't care about it being Milwaukee. Now, they say it's already at a sale price at $149, but they're going to be down to $89. They're two M18 high output 3 amp hour batteries. Not a big fan of this deal. I like when I get my batteries, it'd be like a free good. Either you buy an item and you get free batteries, or you buy the batteries, you get a free item. That's my favorite way to get the batteries. Also, I don't mind the generic ones that we get on Amazon because I've had good luck with them. I got ones that were several years old, which someone called me out on that, trying to like say that I'm a liar. So first off, call me a liar, go fuck yourself. But second, I'm gonna grab one of them that I got in like 2019 or something. I'm gonna have to. It might be a little later, maybe 2021. But anyways, had for several years. And I did a video on it, and I can show you me using that battery in a video several years ago, and I'm gonna use it in a video within the next like couple of weeks or something, just for the shits and giggles of being, hey, fucker, look at here, battery still works. Anyway, that is not the point. um, and then also we try to get to $10 per amp hour, so then that would be $60. So it doesn't meet that threshold, and we're not getting any free item. So this is not my favorite deal. Now this one, we have the M18 brushless 18-inch fan, which, 18-inch, pretty good size. Starts out at $250. I mean, everyone can agree on that. Goes down to $199, so still $200. And is it just me, or does it just look so janky compared to the DeWalt one? The DeWalt fan, okay, not 18 inches, but it just looks more refined. This looks like someone made this in their basement. But hey, it's brushless. It is brushless. Boy, $200 for a fan. I feel like I could spend $200. Hey, it is hybrid though, so I do like that. That part I like. Stackable design. Look at that. So if you want to spend, I don't know, $600, you can get 3 of them. Okay, if you're in Makita's lineup or have an interest in Makita tools, I feel like this is almost a must purchase because it's going to be down to just $29 instead of $49, and you're still getting a free 2 amp hour battery. It might not be the most impressive light in the world, but oh look, it even has a little cover so you can change it. Look at that. Okay, small, compact. Looks like we got a USB or something on there. Oh, that's nice. But the light for 29 plus a 2 amp hour battery, boy, that's a really good deal for Makita owners. Now this one's going to be 334 and it's supposed to come with that same battery. It's not showing up on the page right now, but when this starts, when I post the video, which is in like 4.5 hours, that would be 6 a.m. It's supposed to be 334 and a free 2 amp hour battery. So two tool combo kit. It looks like you're getting two batteries. What size those batteries are? Maybe like fours or something? How big is that? Does it say fives? You're getting a couple of 5 amp hour batteries to go with it. I don't know. Still kind of rich for my blood, but I think they tried pawning this one off in the last round too. This is going to be 239 and you still get the free item. So your 18 volt, 12 volt Bluetooth job site charger radio, 239, and you're getting the 4 amp hour starter kit. I guess it's not crazy. I'm trying to think, I feel like the most that's worth is 199. It's the absolute most I feel like is reasonable in a retail setting to charge for this thing. 379. It makes you want to like punch a baby or something. Like how bad is that price? It's crazy. For 239 and then a 4 amp hour with the starter, I don't know what to feel about that one. Okay, so this one's kind of interesting. It's going to be 299 and you still get the free heated blanket. So it's the 18 volt chainsaw, 12-inch top handle, full kit with a 4 amp hour battery. Now, I have 6 cordless chainsaws. I will tell you the 4 amp hour battery is going to go quick if you're doing anything more than like little pruning type stuff. If you're like trying to actually cut a branch with it, the 4 amp hour is not going to last long. Like if you have a tree that fell and you got to cut it up, or you're cutting down a tree, that 4 amp hour is not going to work. You're going to want to have bigger, better batteries. And I don't understand the heated blanket. I mean, cool, thanks. I'll take a heated blanket, but how it relates to a chainsaw? I don't get it. But I kind of like the idea of a heated blanket that uses an 18 volt battery. I kind of would like to learn more about it. I still don't understand though. Overall, I think it's a good price for the kit though. Now, I want to show you this on eBay before I forget because I actually did this a couple of days ago and I keep forgetting to include it in a video. I'm going to link this page down below and I'm going to try and add to it and we'll include it in videos when we get a chance. But eBay started this new thing they're calling their ambassador program. It's basically an affiliate program, but they gave me this like little page where I can add deals to it and we can talk about them in the videos. And of course, I get a commission if you guys buy anything on it. But a couple of things I just wanted to point out. One, this is kind of gimmicky because it looks like a 6-pack for $17.58, and I don't set this up. I just click a little button that's a plus sign, and they just add it to this thing. So I don't have any control over the order. Well, maybe I have control over the order. I have no idea. It's a new thing. I don't know. Anyway, if you click on it, you go to one piece. It's one battery for $17.58, but free shipping, and it's an 8 amp hour battery. I've never bought the generics from eBay sellers, but 98.6% feedback, we're hopeful. It says USA seller. I don't think the seller's USA, but it might come from a USA warehouse. I don't believe that's a USA seller, though. This was kind of neat because it's a battery adapter, but it's for Hercules to DeWalt. And you guys have asked me for similar things in the past. Back in the day, we talked more about these little adapters when the generic batteries weren't as prevalent as they are now. And it's kind of hard to find them for more niche lineups. Like DeWalt to Milwaukee is popular because it's two really popular brands, but going from Hercules and DeWalt, Anyway, I thought for $20, someone might want that or need that. I really like this mechanic set. That's only $45.99. Oh, the other thing I wanted to show you. So if you open this up and you go to see all details, some of these have an additional promo code on the page. Look for a little banner up top here, and it'll say, save an extra $5 with code blah, blah, blah. So if you see something and you're kind of on the fence with what the price is, go to that see all details and see if there's still a promo code there. There's no way I can add notes to this thing. I gotta work on how we're gonna do this. You got the little 50-foot air hose with the reel. The enclosed reel for $35.99 was really good. The orbital sander for $21.99 I liked. Air compressor at $80.99. A couple of Milwaukee things. These aren't, I don't think, like Sunshine Tool Depot. I don't know if they're a official, what do they call it, authorized retailer or reseller of them or whatever. But they have 47,000 feedback, so I'm pretty confident that it's a legit thing. $110.99 for a fuel brushless angle grinder there, and you got the drill. So anyways, I'm going to keep adding things to that, but just so you know, that's going to be linked in the description. I also put it on the menu bar on the website. This little eBay link right here will take you to that page that I just showed you. And, as I find stuff, I'm just going to add it to that page because it's easier than making an entire post on my website. All I have to do is click a button. Now, let's get into some Amazon deals. So today was the first day of what Amazon's calling their big spring sale or something like that. Boy, I'm on the wrong page. Oh, anyways, that's fine. It doesn't matter. So it's the first day of their big spring sale, and I was swamped today. I didn't have time to look up a ton of stuff, but I'm gonna, as you're watching this today, I will have more time to get a bunch more stuff posted. So anyways, be on the lookout for that. 32-piece bungee cord assortment jar includes 10 up to 40-inch bungee cords, hooks, tarp ball ties, tarp clips. So you look at these things, little tarp clip guys, so you can grab the tarp and attach something to it. Get the little ball ones are kind of cool, and then all the different lengths of your regular bungees. Now it's just a sale price, part of the big spring sale. It's only $9.99, normally $15 or so. No coupon or promo code. But for a 32-piece set and getting a nice little variety, I thought $10. Yeah, why the hell not? That sounds like a good deal to me. Next up, we have the 8-inch blade folding saw with multi-level razor teeth. Outdoor portable handsaw for wood cutting small camping saw by Flora Guard. So look at that guy. Nice little folding saw. Take it out camping with you. Clear out some brush. It's down to just $7.47, normally $15, so it's about half off. Again, no promo code or coupon. Just pick it up for $7.47. By the way, all these prices are good right now, and hopefully they are good when you're watching this 4.5 hours after recording it. Greenworks put a bunch of stuff on sale for the big spring sale, so I'll add more if I find more over the next couple of days. I think the sale goes for like a week or 5 days or something like that. But you have the little 1800 PSI electric pressure washer, only $104.99. Pretty good deal for that little guy. Then if you want a little big boy, 2700 PSI, that's going to be down to $319, normally $400. Then we have some cordless stuff with the whole outdoor power supply or power gear stuff. Another pressure washer, mowers, bunch of things. So we'll add to it if we see anything else from Greenworks. Got a tire inflator, portable air compressor, air pump. This is by Whole Wools and is 40% off. So this is the plug-in style, which sometimes I don't mind because you don't have to worry, like, did you keep the battery charged on your cordless one? As long as you got a good battery or you can leave your car running, you can plug this thing in, and they usually have a super long cord to reach any of your tires. And so many cars have additional outlets nowadays in like the trunk or in the bed of a truck. So it starts out at $29.99. We have a Prime member discount, and then we're also getting a 40% coupon. I think the final price was around $15. So really nice for a little compact guy. Plugs in so you don't got to worry about a battery. And of course it's digital and everything. You just set it and forget it. Just like, what was it? Was that the rotisserie chicken thing or whatever? What was that? Ron guy. Ronco. Set it and forget it. I used to stay up all night watching infomercials. How weird am I? Tire pressure monitoring system. Tire pressure monitor with solar charge. TPMS with 6 sensors, 6 alarms by Liturwum. Really cool. I like the solar panel because you just throw it up on your dash and it's always charged. That's a really cool idea. It looks like we can also charge it with the cable. We have 6. So you could definitely use it for like an RV or a trailer as long as you got the distance on it. Hell, throw one on your spare tire and just make sure it has air for when you get a flat. I don't know. But it starts out at $69.99. There's a Prime member discount, which I think went to $49.99, and then you'll have a $10 coupon on the page, so $39.99. And if you have an older vehicle, I was playing around with a car that had one of these, and it would tell you if the tire pressure was low, but it wouldn't tell you which tire. You had to like go out and guess which of the four is low. You stupid bastard! Come on, why don't you just tell me which one it is? So you're playing games with me, fool. I don't like it. 171-piece spring band hose clamps with pliers. 15 size assortment by ML and SL. You've seen this brand a couple of times with rubber hoses and things. But I really like we're getting the handy dandy case. We're getting all of these, which is really good. If you live up in the Rust Belt and deal with older stuff like me, these things get all rusty and crusty, and they get stuck because they're rusty, and they break, and terrible. Well, they're bad clamps to begin with. Not a huge fan of them, but sometimes that's what you got to use. But I like the pliers. Makes it so much easier to grab the little ears or whatever you call the tabs on them. So just rip and rip with them pliers there, and you're good to go. So $28.99, but we have a 50% promo code that's supposed to go through the end of the month. So $14.50, $14.50. Yeah, I hit it right. Be confident with your answer, sucker. It don't even matter if it's right or wrong. Just say it confidently, and most of the people won't even notice. $14.50, and we're getting the pliers and a ton of clamps to go with it. So I think that is a really good deal. I'll have all those linked down below. Hopefully, for my benefit and your detriment, you could hear me in this video. And we'll have a bunch more Amazon stuff coming up because it's like my top priority is the day you're watching this is to get up a bunch of the spring sale stuff. So we're gonna make it happen. Be on the lookout. Check the website throughout the day. New stuff will be posted all day long. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.